Okay guys, I will teach you how to charge your phone without using this, that is wireless charging. And the good thing here is that it works in all smartphones. Okay, let's start. All you need is a can of malt, lip glass, scissors,
You smartphone.
and your charger. Okay, let's start. First thing that you will do is bring your cord, make sure that it's working. Then you bring your scissors, you cut here. Okay, cut it. And you have to put this one here. You put it here. Okay. And you have to put this one here. Right, you can use this here. And hold it here. Hold it here. And here, you bring another one. And hold it here. And don't hold it too much. Okay. And the next step is you will plug this one here. You plug this one here and give it space. As you can see, it's not charging. It is not charging yet. And make sure that your surface is neat and it is not wet. You keep your surface dry. This is where your mouth comes in. You open your mouth. You open it. You can use Coke if you don't have mouth. Yeah, you can use Coke. And place it like this. You keep this one here. Yeah, here. Keep this one here. And bring another working cord. Place it here. Place it here. Just what the magic is about to happen. You now bring your mouth, keep it, and you take a sip. Okay? And then I want you. Okay, connect this one here again, and check whether it's charging. As you can see, it's not charging. You now have to plug this one here, plug this one here. Runs very well. You now have to keep this one, put this one. It's charging, guys, it's charging. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you.